Hey everybody, and welcome to the deep dive. Today we're diving into a script all about small talk.
Oh, fun.
It's especially for those of you learning English. We'll be uncovering some really simple phrases to help you feel confident in those quick chats, like when you
Mhm.
meet someone new
Mhm.
or you're just trying to make conversation.
Exactly.
And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives like this one. So this script is really cool. It breaks down small talk into 5 steps,
Okay.
like building blocks.
I like that.
And the first one is greetings.
The all-important first impression.
Right.
Like just a simple, hi, nice to meet you, or
Sure.
a hello, how are you?
It can go a long way.
It's funny. Even native English speakers sometimes get nervous about those basic greetings.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I guess we all do.
It's human nature.
But the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this script gives us some examples of how those greetings can sound natural.
Okay, perfect.
So let's say we're meeting for the first time,
Okay. I could say, hi, I'm Ella, nice to meet you.
and I could say, "Hi, Ella. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too."
See? Easy.
Totally.
Short, sweet, and effective.
I like
And here's a tip from the script.
Go
Don't forget to smile.
Oh, yeah.
A smile can make you feel more relaxed.
It makes you more approachable, too.
Exactly.
A smile is like its own language.
It really is.
Okay, so we've covered greetings. What's next?
Well, the script takes us to talking about the weather.
The classic conversation starter.
It might seem a bit cliche, but it works
It does.
because everyone experiences the weather.
Yeah.
It's something we all have in common.
And the script gives us some easy phrases
Huh?
like,
It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
oh, yeah.
Or, wow, it's really cold out here.
I like that one.
And the script doesn't just give us one phrase for each type of weather.
Oh, that's good.
Right.
So, like, if it's raining,
You could say, I hope this rain stops soon,
Yeah.
or it looks like it's going to rain all day.
so we have options.
Exactly.
I like that.
It's like having a small talk toolkit.
I love that.
The more tools you have, the more confident you'll feel.
That's so true. All right, so we've mastered greetings and weather talk. Feeling good. But wait, there's more.
Oh, there's always more.
This script is full of good stuff.
It encourages us to go a little deeper
Ooh, deep.
by asking about work or school.
Okay, I'm listening.
So instead of just asking, what do you do?
Which can be a little bit blunt.
Yeah, a little bit. You could say, so what do you do for work?
Well,
Or what kind of work do you do?
I like that.
It sounds more friendly.
It does?
And if you're talking to a student, you could ask, what are you studying?
Yeah.
Or what's your major?
And the script reminds us to listen. Like,
Yeah.
really listen to their answer.
Oh, yeah, active listening.
And ask follow-up questions
Yeah.
to show you're interested.
Right. So if someone says they're a doctor, you could ask, what kind of medicine do you practice?
Oh, that's a good one.
Or where do you work?
Those little details. That can make the conversation more interesting.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we can share about ourselves, too.
Yes, good point.
It's all about finding that balance. Okay, let's quickly recap those key phrases. For work or school we have, what kind of work do you do? What are you studying? And even if you're just starting to learn English, these simple questions can help you have a conversation.
Absolutely.
Practice makes perfect.
Are you ready for the next step?
Bring it on.
Host! Welcome back to our deep dive all about small talk.
It's so good to be back.
I was thinking about what we talked about in the first part.
About greetings
Yeah.
and those weather phrases.
Yeah, breaking the ice.
Exactly.
Small talk is more than just exchanging words.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
it's about making a connection, showing that you're interested in the other person,
I see.
making them feel comfortable.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
You don't want to sound like a robot,
You're right.
just repeating phrases.
Yeah.
So the script talks a lot about active listening and responding in a way that shows you are engaged.
So how you say things.
Mm-hmm.
And how you react.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's where those open-ended questions come in.
Yes.
Like, what kind of work do you do?
Yeah,
Or,
right.
what are you studying?
Those are good ones, but we can go even further.
Oh, even further.
What are some things that people like to talk about?
Let me think. I'd say most people love talking about their hobbies.
Exactly. The script has a whole section about hobbies.
Okay, so how do we transition to that?
Well, you could say something like, what do you like to do in your free time?
Okay.
Or do you have any hobbies?
Easy enough. I think even beginners could remember that.
I think so too. And this is where the conversation can get really fun.
Oh, fun. How so?
Well, the script encourages us to not only ask about their hobbies, but to share our own.
So we can find something in common.
Exactly. Build a connection.
Okay, I like it.
So let's say someone says they like to play guitar.
Okay. I could say, oh, that's cool. I love music, but I've never played an instrument.
Yeah.
What kind of music do you play?
See, you've shown interest. And you've opened up the conversation.
And maybe we'll find out we have similar music tastes.
Yeah, never know.
That's why I love small talk.
Yeah.
You just never know where it will lead.
It's an adventure.
It is.
Okay, before we move on, let's recap those phrases for talking about hobbies.
Okay, so we have, what do you like to do in your free time?
Uh-huh.
And do you have any hobbies?
And don't forget to share your own hobbies, too.
Good point. It goes both ways.
Now, are you ready to learn how to say goodbye?
The art of saying goodbye.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. All right, so we've talked about greetings and weather and work and school and hobbies.
A lot of ground covered.
We have.
And now, it's time for goodbyes.
Ah, yes, the art of wrapping things up. What does the script say about that?
Well, it says keep it simple and sincere.
So no need to overthink it.
Nope. A simple, it was nice talking to you,
Yeah.
or have a great day.
I like those.
They work.
They do.
They sound friendly and sincere.
Exactly.
The script also mentions things like, see you later, or take care.
Oh,
Especially if you think you'll see them again.
good point.
It's all about choosing what feels right.
I agree.
And just like with greetings,
Uh-huh.
a smile and eye contact can go a long way.
They can. Okay, so we've covered all 5 steps of small talk.
We have.
Greetings, whether work or school hobbies, and goodbyes.
But it's more than just the phrases. It's about making those connections.
Oh, glad you said that.
Making people feel comfortable.
And being present.
And practicing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
So true.
The script actually ends with a question.
Oh, a question.
Yeah, it asks, how can you adapt these phrases for different situations?
Ooh, that is a good question.
Like talking to a coworker
Yeah.
is different from talking to someone at a party.
Right, so I guess you'd be more professional in one situation
Yeah.
and more relaxed in the other.
Exactly.
This has been such a helpful deep dive.
It really
I
has.
feel like I've learned so much.
Me too.
And, it's amazing how those small conversations
Yeah.
can really lead to something more.
I hope our listeners feel ready to go out and practice.
Yes, go practice your small talk.
And remember to subscribe for more deep dives.
Until next time.
Happy chatting, everyone.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.